Hello everyone, I am glad you have joined me here at Let's Learn Kikuyu with me, your teacher, Mwari wa Mangi. Our previous lesson, we had a look at the numbers. I hope you're practicing. Today we learn about greetings in Kikuyu. Greetings in Kikuyu means Ngeithi, Ngeithi, Ngeithi. When you meet somebody and you want to say, how are you? We mwega, we mwega, we mwega. They reply, I am fine. E de mwega, e de mwega, e de mwega. We mwega, e de mwega. Then he or she will ask you, and how about you? E we mwega, e we mwega. And your reply, e nie de mwega, e nie de mwega, e nie de mwega, e we mwega, e nie de mwega. If you're already familiar with the person, then you can go ahead and ask him or her, how is everything? Kohana atea, kohana atea. Their reply, gũtirĩ na ũru, gũtirĩ na ũru. Kohana atea, gũtirĩ na ũru. Or yet, how do you do? Uhoro waku, uhoro waku. Their reply, ti moru, ti moru. Uhoro waku, ti moru. And if you want to know how their day has been, you will ask them, watinda atea, watinda atea. And their reply, ndatinda wega, ndatinda wega. So, watinda atea, ndatinda wega. Supposedly you meet a pair or a group of people and you want to generalize the greetings, then you'll go ahead and ask them, more ega, more ega. And their reply, e turiega, e turiega. So, moriega, e turiega. And if you want to know how the family of this person is doing, then you will go ahead and ask, ado aku mahana atea, ado aku mahana atea. And they reply, matire naoru, matire naoru. Ado aku mahana atea, matire naoru. There are greetings also for a specific time of the day. For example, good morning, we mwega rosine, we mwega rosine. And the reply, e de mwega rosine, e de mwega rosine. So, we mwega rosine, e de mwega rosine. Our main focus from here is what would precede the greetings. For example, goodbye, thie na wega, thie na wega, thie na wega. Safe journey. Thiĩ na thayu. Thiĩ na thayu. Thiĩ na thayu. Pass my greetings. Na ûgeithanie. Na ûgeithanie. Na ûgeithanie. See you. Nitúronane rĩngĩ. Nitúronane rĩngĩ. Nitúronane rĩngĩ. Bless you. Rathimwo mũno. Rathimwo mũno. Rathimwo mũno. Good night. Koma thayu. Koma thayu. Koma thayu. Thank you. Nĩ wega mũno. Nĩ wega mũno. Nĩ wega mũno. Have a nice day. Gĩa na mũthenya mwega. Gĩa na mũthenya mwega. Gĩa na mũthenya mwega. Could you stop? No ũtige. No ũtige. No ũtige. Please wait for me. Njeterera. 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 Excuse me. Atĩrĩrĩ. 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 Sorry. Njohera. 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 No problem. Gũtirĩ na thĩna. Gũtirĩ na thĩna. Gũtirĩ na thĩna. Yes. No. Asa. Asa. I don't know. Ndiũĩ. 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 I know. Nĩnjũĩ. 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 I don't understand. Ndiranyita. 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 Can I ask? No njũrie. No njũrie. No njũrie. I need help. Ndirenda ûteithio. Ndirenda ûteithio. Ndirenda ûteithio. Can I come? No njũke. No njũke. No njũke. Remind me, please. Ndirikania. 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 Can you remember? No ûririkane. No ûririkane. No ûririkane. What could be the problem? Nĩkĩ kĩũru. Nĩkĩ kĩũru. Nĩkĩ kĩũru. Please call me. Hũrĩra thimũ. Hũrĩra thimũ. Hũrĩra thimũ. We have now come to the end of our lesson of Let's Learn Kikuyu Greetings Edition. I hope that next time someone asks you, "We mwega," you will be able to answer in confidence, "E de mwega." The next lesson will teach you how to say days of the week and much more. Make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, and let us interact as we learn Kikuyu. Till next time, cheers!